Anyway, now Dave's dead. Now where are the funnies? Ooh, The Adventures of George and Benji. Somewhere in the galaxy of a different dimension, we find George and Benji, lost, trying to open up a vortex home.
This is the only way to open the vortex.
Music plays. Na 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 na.
Open up the vortex. Open up the vortex. Benji, keep playing. You're almost there. Now. Oh, I'll never be good.
Oh, no. You're already good.
I keep on making mistake after mistake after mistake.
Your heart is good.
George explained that inside you is already good, but you just have to suck a little bit to get all the good out.
And it's surrounded by mistakes. Mistakes are like jewels, blocking the light of your good. And every time you make a mistake, you take another jewel away, and more good shines through you.
I think you're right, George. I think I am good inside of me. La 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 la. Wow. Now.
Keep playing, Benji.
George, I'm nothing but trash. I'm stuffed with trash and my bones are garbage.
Maybe we should go down to the planet down there and see if somebody down there can press 2 or 3 buttons on the piano for us.
So off they went to the planet.